keputusan-keputusan yang menjurus kepada rakyat Sabah, pengundi Sabah mahu ditadbir oleh parti-parti lokal. JRS, Warisan, yang dua parti yang besar memenangi pilihan raya itu, satu dapat 29, satu dapat 25. Ini menunjukkan bahawa rakyat Sabah memang menjurus kepada perkara itu. Bukannya berarti mereka itu tidak suka dengan Semenanjung, tapi kemungkinan mereka telah melihat apa yang berlaku di Sarawak. Dua-dua belah pihak, baiknya pihak dalam kerajaan negeri sebelum pilihan raya ataupun yang di luar kerajaan negeri sebelum pilihan raya, dua-dua menggunakan Sarawak sebagai idola, ikon untuk mereka berkempen. Sebab itulah sedikit sebanyak kita di Sarawak dihalang, ditegah untuk pergi sana, kerana siapa nak sokong, dua-dua sokong kita. So let them fight among themselves, and it was shown, the result shows that the Sabahan wants National Party memang tak dapat sana. Mungkinlah UMNO ada dapat sedikit, Pakatan Harapan dapat satu, Pakatan
Perikatan
Nasional dapat satu daripada berapa puluh dia bertanding, 40 lebih, satu saja 20 lebih hilang sekerap. That means it's a total wipeout for the National Party. Total wipeout. Yang UMNO menang tu kemungkinan atas sebab personality. So there's a very good reflection, and we hope that the national parties will see the signal sent from there. Don't go against it head on. Rakyat Sabah minta hak-hak mereka dikembalikan. Attend to that.
Do you think it will strengthen the Borneo position?
Well, it will strengthen Sabah hopefully, but that depends again on how Ahmad Berhormat Haji G looks at it. Personally, I see he has already come up with the punya government of the day, but you leave out a big state party Warisan outside. It might not be good. So that is my personal observation.
Urban voters.
Urban voters, because none of those in the GRS are from the Chinese community. All the Chinese are with Warisan. You cannot leave them out also, because they are also Sabahan.
Do you think it will influence?
Well, it depends on the leaders down there to see how. It might not be now, but then it might be later. How to work together? I'm not urging them to merge ataupun to have a coalition, but look into this, because Warisan comprised of 25%. They take away 25% of the number 73, and in terms of popular vote, they have got the highest.